Tibetan Democracy Day. In February of 1960, the Tibetans in exile gathered for the first time at Bodh Gaya, during which His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama strongly advised that in the changing circumstances of the modern world, Tibet's governance system should be reformed, formally outlining democratic polity and establishment of a People's Representative Assembly elected by the general public. Following that, elections were duly held with 13 deputies representing the 3 Tibetan provinces and 4 major schools of Tibetan Buddhism, inaugurating the first commission of Tibetan people's deputies, taking their oath of office in presence of His Holiness the Dalai Lama on 2nd of September 1960. From then on, every 2nd September was celebrated as Tibetan Democracy Day. At present, Tibetan government-in-exile has its own constitution and 3 pillars of democracy, enjoying a fully functioning government system within a democratic framework, all due to the visionary leadership of His Holiness and the efforts of the older generations. We greet you a happy Tibetan Democracy Day.